Good afternoon, my friends. My name is Sally Casper. Today, I'm trying to show you how I organize my purse. Most of the time, like myself, for example, I always forget in something very important in my other purse. Because we love to change different color purses, and then when we change purses we forget something important ones too. So what I did, um I always recall and remember my mother, because when I was in high school she always tell me, did you forget the books, what day is today, or something like that, because Monday, Wednesday, Fridays we have different books. So sometimes on that night I forgot to put my MWF books, and then I'm just carrying the Tuesdays and Thursdays books instead of carrying the Monday, Wednesday books. So I always remember that it's a good idea to put something that when we change purses, we just grab it and then put it in our purse. So I'll show you. Okay, my friends, I will show you how I organize my purse. Of course, I try to put something very important in the calendars. So I have one calendar, September calendars, in my desk or something. And then I have my little calendar with me whenever we travel, because I always forget something. And I have extra paper just in case I'm going to write some notes. And then also I have my weekly planner. So that's one. And then I have, of course, I have one of my sister here bought me this, because when I lost my other cell phone, or when my cell phone died, and then I changed another one, I lost all my friends' contact because I was depending on my cell phone. Now she gave me this, and she wrote all the important phone numbers. So it's a good idea to carry something with you. And of course, your cell phone. So that's there. Your wallet. But you know, I have this three different thing in my purse. Of course, I have this, which is I put aspirin. Like when you go to work, for example, I bring some aspirin with me, and of course I bring some candies. So I put this here, and of course some lipstick with me. So I put this in one of this. That's one there. And then one of this, just in case you go in somewhere dark, I always carry little flashlights. I love flashlights, my friend, so I always carry this in one. I also carry a backup, just in case, it's like a power bank, just in case there's no lights or something like that. You know, I have backup here for the cell phone. And of course, don't forget your charger. This is very important. And I also put the car charger and bring it with me, because when I'm in my car, usually I just leave this in the car. The problem is when I go with my husband in the other car, then I cannot charge my cell phone because I forget this in another car. So I always put here just in case. And of course I need some pen. I put this one in here. So that's another thing that you need to, something, or you know, something very important that you can take it with you. Okay, so I have that. And then of course I have my keys here, my car case. I put it in somewhere very important, and also my additional sunglasses. And I have, I always remember one of my co-worker, she gave me this, which is a like if your hand is dirty, you can just it's just like a hand sanitizer. You can just use that one. And I have also a little reminders, like a little calendar, just in case I can not go into the computer. I have something very important in my little notes, aside from the weekly planner and a little calendar. I have some extra just in case. And of course I also have my old it's like my address book for all the important people in my life. My phone numbers here, because I always forget. Even this looks so bad, but because of some very important phone numbers and addresses, I have to carry this with me. My husband showed me that it's easier to put in a little thing, so you can put it in your little thing. And of course I have my little prayer when I travel. This one is with me. So here you go, my friends. There you go. You try to organize and put everything together. So when you change purses, just put it in here. So it's not very, or you will not lose anything, and you have everything you need. And of course when you travel, you have different toiletry that you need to carry. But this one, and of course don't forget your wallet. Oh, here you go, my friends. Try to organize so you'll not forget anything. And of course my big calendar. I also have calendar in Google Calendar on my computer, and my cell phone, of course. But just in case you cannot, something wrong with the cell phone or the computer, you have no access, then you have your calendar, or you have your hard copy with you. Okay, I hope that helps in your life's organization. And also have, when I have my other table, I always have something that I can grab right away, and also some notes that I can write easily in the kitchen, in the living room, in my purse, on the table. If I have some reminders, I can put in the calendar right away. So I have calendar in different places in the house. So so I go visit the other downstairs, or here, or in my bedroom, in the kitchen. I have some calendars just in case I forget. Then I can access to those very easily. So thank you so much, my friends, for listening, and I hope you learned something. And don't forget anything. Don't forget your family, and don't forget to organize yourself once in a while. Thank you so much, and you have a good evening.